कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरुं। ओम श्री भक्तराजवीर गुरुदेवो नमः। Namaste. My name is VL Krishna Prasad. Welcome to Gopala Krishna Dhyana Yoga GKDY. This is for the fourth time I'm in front of you for the Power Pack Yoga, that is of Hatha Yoga, fourth sequencing asanas. I just did the six yoga asanas, which is in a sequencing way as in Hatha Yoga. So please do watch this video and please let me know whether you like or dislike. And as I said, let me tell you, the people who don't feel this is not their stuff, please don't watch it, skip the video. And people who feel like they wanted to be health conscious, like to bring their body into a nice shape and to live happily, healthily, alright? So please do watch this and let me know your comments. Alright, as I said, there are six asanas in a sequencing way. Enjoy the stretch, the twist, the breath, and the contraction of your muscles. Alright, the wholesome workout. Thank you. Namaste. Let's start. So first take your right leg back for the Virabhadrasana. Slowly raise your hands up, join both the palms into Namaskaram Sthiti. Just keep your head in between the shoulders and look up. Make sure the front leg should be bent properly. Slowly move on to the second position, that is again the Virabhadrasana variation 2. Keeping the hands parallel to the floor, just watch straight as if you're ready to hit someone. This is also called as the warrior pose. Breathing should be happen naturally. Now slowly move on to the third position, which is again Virabhadrasana 3. It is a Parivritta Virabhadrasana position, wherein here you are twisting your back as much as possible and trying to look exactly on your back. So in this position you can just make sure to balance properly. This is little tough. Yeah, move on to the Parvatasana posture slowly. So adjust your position in the Parvatasana. Slowly lift the leg up and bring the lifter leg slowly beside your right leg. Beside your right hand palm. Drop your forehead on the mat. Now just observe where is the pressure and where is the stretch. Here the pelvic region or the groin, the lower abdomen, you'll have a nice pressure. And there is a nice stretch on your back. Slowly go back to the Parvatasana. Now let's move on to the next position, that is in Parvatasana, the variation of the Vyagrasana, wherein you lift the leg up and bring it up to the chest. Lift the leg up, bring it up to the chest. When you're bringing the leg inside close to the chest, just bring your head close to the knee. So again back to the Parvatasana. From there, slowly bring your right leg front, place it between the palms, and come to the Virabhadrasana, another variation wherein this is called the gunshot position. So you will have a nice stretch at the inner thighs, the knees. Yeah. The final position is the Padahastasana, and slowly come up to the Namaste position. So let's repeat on the other side. So slowly take your left leg back. The first position is the Virabhadrasana, joining the palms, looking up, breathing normally. Enjoy the breath, enjoy the status and the posture. The second variation of the Virabhadrasana, keeping the hands parallel to the floor, parallel to the mat, looking straight, gazing at one point. Always remember the breathing should be naturally happen. Inhale and exhale comfortably. Slowly move on to the third position. This is called Parivritta Virabhadrasana, the twisting position wherein you will have a nice twist at your lower abdomen on your upper back. So here, wherever the fat is accumulated more, that will be definitely burned slowly. The next position, Parvatasana posture. Yeah. From Parvatasana, let's move on to the next posture, which is called as the lizard pose. You have to bring the raised leg exactly outside the left hand palm. Slowly drop your forehead on the mat. Enjoy the groin stretch, the pelvic region stretch, the lower abdomen contraction. You'll have a nice breath. Enjoy the breathing. Slowly move on to the Parvatasana. So from Parvatasana, again we'll move on to the Vyagrasana in Parvatasana. So raise the leg up and slowly fold the leg and bring up to the chest level. Yes. This is again a nice pressure and the contraction and the stretch at the lower abdomen and near the chest. A nice stretch on your back. You'll have a nice contraction at the glutes, lower abdomen and near the chest. Parvatasana posture. Now slowly bring the left leg front between the palms. The final position, that is Virabhadrasana variation, this is called as gunshot position, in which you will have a nice contraction and stretch of the inner thighs and at the knees. You can just develop the thighs wonderfully. Yeah, the final posture, Padahastasana, the forward bending, and to the standing posture, Namaste. Enjoy this sequence. Please try to do it. Hey guys, I guess you might have liked this video because as I said, there are 6 asanas in a sequencing way and you will have a nice pressure, stretch, contraction because yoga is, in the standing as I have released all the standing asanas. Even these 6 asanas are in standing which we do. The asanas are, segregated into standing, sitting, lying down, like that, and inverted postures. So I have taken and I have brought in front of you the Hatha Yoga sequencing asanas for the 4th time from GKDY. So please do follow and please do these sequencing asanas. At least, as I said, 6 asanas for 6 minutes, that's it. And if you want to repeat it, you can just do it for a second time. So you will finish this just in 12 minutes. Can you please spend your time for your health? So you'll be more strong, you'll be more healthy, you'll be always, you'll be happy. And that's it and nothing more, because all the benefits, again, let me tell you, wherever you have the stretch, wherever you have the contraction, wherever you have the twist in the body, so that itself is the benefit, because the muscle is working over there, right? Isn't it? So that's it. If you have any queries, please do comment in the comment box, and please do follow Gopalakrishna Dhyana Yoga, the GKDY. Alright? Om Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti 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 Sarvam Krishnarpanam.